Australian judge determines that an ex-Marine can be extradited to the US. A Sydney magistrate has ordered that Australia can turn over a former US Marine who Washington is seeking. Australian citizen Daniel Duggan, 55, is charged with violating US arms control regulations by instructing Chinese jet pilots. Since 2022, he has been detained in Australia. He refutes the accusations, which his attorney has said are politically motivated. The decision on the extradition now rests with the Australian Attorney General. The legal team representing Mr. Duggan did not contest the court's decision on Friday, but they do plan to file an appeal. "We humbly request that the Attorney General reconsider this case and allow my spouse to return home," Safreen, the spouse of Mr. Duggan, stated to a group of journalists and admirers outside the courtroom. The government does not comment on extradition cases, according to the Attorney General's office, which was informed by local media. Judge Daniel Rice determined that Mr. Duggan was eligible for surrender to the United States and issued an order keeping the father of 6 in detention. Since his arrest in October 2022, he has been detained in a maximum security jail. His daughter Molly criticised the seclusion her father had endured while behind bars and claimed the decision was akin to a death sentence. Before relocating to Australia in 2002, Mr. Duggan served as a pilot in the Marine Corps for 12 years. There, he acquired citizenship, changed careers, and eventually renounced his American citizenship. He also lived in China for a number of years. His purported instruction of Chinese military pilots took place at a South African academy over 10 years ago. According to US officials, it happened without their consent. However, according to the Reuters news agency, Mr. Duggan's attorneys have previously maintained that there is no proof the pilots he trained were military personnel. Additionally, they assert that Mr. Duggan was no longer an American citizen at the time of the alleged misconduct, a claim that the US contests. Due to Mr. Duggan's situation, countries like the UK and Australia have issued warnings to their Air Force personnel about accepting large contracts from foreign powers.